Part B. Short question with answer. What is plagiarism? How can we avoid plagiarism? Plagiarism is the act of presenting someone else's work or ideas as our own without giving proper credit to the original source. This can include copying and pasting text from a source without citation, ulaka kara paraphrasing, natuna babe leka, a source without properly citing it, or submitting jama daya, someone else's work as our own.
দয়া করে ভিডিওটিকে লাইক করুন।
Virtual varsity plagiarism. It's important that we use proper citations menasana whenever we use information or ideas from a source. This means citing the source using the appropriate citation style and providing daya, a reference list, utsatalika, at the end of our work.
দয়া করে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।
Additionally, tashara, when we paraphrase natuna babe liki information from a source, we should put the information in our own words while still giving credit to the original source. We can also use plagiarism checkers. Plus identify any unintentional anachakarta plagiarism in our work and get suggestions paramarsa for how to fix it. Virtual Varsity YouTube channel. Ultimately, the best way to avoid plagiarism is to create our own original work Maulika Kaya. It's okay to use sources for inspiration, anaprirana, or information. We should put our own ideas to create something that is truly our own. By following these guidelines, we can ensure that our work is original and properly cited, avoiding any issues with plagiarism.
ভার্চুয়াল ভার্সিটি চ্যানেলের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে শুভেচ্ছা। আশা করি দেখা হবে বারবার।